Hello. Today I'm going to work on a super cool feature. This feature comes into the Grace Manager. Grace Manager is this business tool, but in super cyberpunk setting, cyberpunk aesthetic, just super cool, amazingly looking, and some new novelty, cool features that aren't really any like this one. So this timeline here, these times, those are placeholders for now. This is the design, correct, from my designer in Figma, and some points I'm going to have to make today to update this placeholder. For one, this is just static time from 0 to 24, not good. I have to make it dynamic, meaning from start to finish and not just complete hours, but actual milliseconds. Just precise time exactly from to and display all between them. Plus, it has to move. The manager will be primarily touch driven, meaning that when I touch or hold mouse here, this entire thing will have to move from left to right and display previous, next time, just very dynamic. I'm not sure if I do some stopping, some snapping to some parts, hours, maybe not today. Today just move left, right, just like scroll would, but not scrolling here. It must be differently done. And display events. Some events, testing events to just populate the timeline correctly by the correct current time, and also make this correct. Actually, it might be. Yeah, yeah. The time is correct. The needle is not. So these are 3 tasks, and let's do it. Oh, I have no idea how long it may take. I didn't think this through really. I've done something like this on my previous projects in previous version of Grace that ended up only in for internal use. But I'm not sure I'm going to salvage anything from it. Maybe a bit, but this should be new, clean code to extend in the future, because this timeline will become extremely powerful tool in the future. I'm starting with the movement. The start, finish, or start and left, right, whatever. So in the code, I need those properties. Oh, what I have set up is a basic class that do this, as this, and also with loading the events, which, yeah, this is it. Just loaded events that I have to take and display. Method ready right here. So. Maybe this could help a bit. Yeah. You didn't see the events. Here are the events. Just speed up. Yes, perfect. I won't need this for now because the design is set up. Okay, so first init. Oh, and just to make my life easier, define this. Okay. current time, what I wanna display. Initial display, probably just, I don't know, few hours earlier and more hours in the future. You can always change it later. Four hours? So let's go for 4 hours. Plus how many hours? I don't know. 12? Fine. 12 hours. Okay. Now, when building, I have to start not like this. This must be probably completely different. Hmm. We go hour by hour. Yeah. Hour by hour. Well, what if the end is, what if this it doesn't line perfectly like 1:00, 2:00, 3:00, but it starts maybe 1 a.m. 12 minutes and ends 4 a.m. Just stupid number, 4 a.m. 15 minutes. I won't display this part of the hour, so I'm not sure I can really use this. Real what? Just make it a bit longer. Eating. Okay. Hours. One. Two. Oh. 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 Okay. Nice. Better. It's better. Yep. Okay. Now, from my previous experience, now to display the hours perfectly, because you can see it's 15:01 and it's displayed somewhere in the middle of 14, and this is statically placed, but it would be exactly the same issue. I need to move these lines exactly to where they should be. My previous experiences, person to left is the way to go. Either there is perfectly placed percent or there is a minus. Minus meaning it's the hour starts before the actual start. And that's perfectly fine, because then I can hide it, I can trim it, I can do whatever with it. but it would align perfectly with real hours. So, so how, this is what I need. Hmm. So the start time is 0%, and time is 100%. Hmm. What? This is the one place I can salvage the old race. Where is this? Where is this? Where is this? No. No. Over here. Right. What? Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Starting position. TS. I don't know what TS was. Timestamp. Oh, yeah, sure. It's timestamp. It's before. Aurel. Oh. Not horror. Hmm. I think that this should work. Comparing operations with dates, possibly. Okay. Start and diff. Okay. I need to calculate this difference. Oh, just like this. Cool. Sure. Be able to do this. Okay, nothing changed. It's not absolutely positioned. Not yet, at least. Oh, come on. Here. Okay. 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 This is pretty good. This is good. This is good. 0%. Really? Zero? I don't know. It's 1505 and it should. Oh, uh, because I need this dt to be set exactly to the hour 00. Hmm. Sure. Maybe that. Yeah. No. 000. Maybe, and now it should give me something. Yeah, exactly. So the 6 minutes of hour is off. The 10, 12 hour is 0.679. Cool. That's great. Now I need to set this up in my CSS because now it's as flex to align perfectly. It can be flex. It must be done. Absolutely positioned. So left is it's a yeah, 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 and to make it hmm, That I need to set it with. Yeah. What I noticed was the 10%. I wanted to start, the line should start exactly on the hour 00, meaning it can't have heading from the left, only from the right. And now I need to set the weight of the hour in percent. And the percents will be helpful not just because of the movement, but also in the resizing the window, because when I resize, it keeps perfectly everything on in the line where it should be, perfectly on time. My experience having this precise is extremely helpful. Now I can show the current manager, but its ability to show me exactly what happened to the pixel. I can see from far, well, if anything changed and need my attention. It's really cool, really great to have. So, yeah, wait. Now, I should be able to calculate with from once, right? Sure. Meaning I can prepare this. Like this? I don't know. DPX, maybe. Probably too small for now, but it will be overwritten either way. It, it's 80? Is this is 80? Is it really 80? Sure. Okay. Okay. Percentage of our plan. This is the same as yesterday. Times, circles, not decimals. This is how you do. How to calculate percentage that are took from the timeline by the entire hour. I should do this live to get out. This is weird. Right? You know what? Let me ask you. My buddy. Please. And let's see. GPT, my buddy, would calculate the hour. Right? It uses completely different naming convention than me. M our in meals with percent. Okay. Outfit. Let's see. Maybe. Did I do it? Maybe. Was it that precise? Oh, it was? Nice. Ah. And see, goes it goes behind the timeline itself. It's perfectly fine. Although, actually, I'm going to need to extend the range. The range need to be much bigger because when I'm scrolling or going left to right, I need to see things that are before and behind, not just pop up in middle of the scrolling or only after it reaches the left side. So let's. I'm ending +1 hour. Let's end +5. The same here. Let's -5. Is that right? Oh no. I keep forgetting this isn't set correctly. Maybe we should set it. So it's here. And yet again, it must become a oh must become a position. Oh, it is position absolute. Cool. No left. I'm going to replace left. So left will be, and I'll take this code. Uh, now. Nice. Yeah. It works. It worked. Now I wanted more. Sure, why not? For now, let's just set in interval for every second. Yeah, 5 seconds. There will be a delay when. You know what? I'm thinking this might have seconds. It's might have seconds. I could add seconds. Okay, so not even every second. I need to I need to, I need it to be as precise as possible. And it's not a complex task to do it, so I can do it, I don't know, at least 2 times per second, maybe 10 times per second. And you know what, let's just set something like this. Well, first add the second time with zeros. Let's update this, or rather, let's add. Nope. Into the single method. Nice. Yeah, see? But these seconds are not that important. This is a, what is it called? Going a bit around, or to just doing anything other, or something other than I really wanted. Oh. Seconds, sure. Here, group. You know, let's put it in a. I'll keep it like that, but let's put it into a span. Why? Because then I can check its font size and other parameters independently, and I think it should be necessary, because these seconds are great here, but the reality of it is that the reality is it's too distracting. It cannot be that distracting. Hey, it moved. The the bar moved. Okay. The same as that. Before I reload. Nice. Okay. Big. Hi. Fuck. Oh. Okay. And just to see how it changes its size and move. No, can't be done. So let's set it. What is it now? Oh. This is. I have to find it. Oh, oh, doesn't matter. Trial and error. 20? Maybe? Is it 20? What? What? just happened? Oh, yeah. Uh, no, I hate this. First of all, 20 is too much. 13? 13? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I like this. Okay. 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 After that, it's going to be for later. I think I'll move this to mage somehow, or maybe even some graphic to it, not just this semicolon. Okay, so this is moving. It's showing right time, setting it to right time. Nice. Now let's make the movement. I'm going to use pointers, pointer events. Set events. Down. And pointer just because I want to be able to move it with my mouse by touch gestures, by the Apple Pencil, or just any stylus. So pointer is the way to go. Now, this is pretty classic stuff when doing drag and drop and things like this. To just save the needed information on pointer down, I really click the thing or touch the thing. I need to save exactly where I touch it, the X. Then I have to move, and in every move I have to set or check the difference between current X and my initially set X, or left position, and then move the timeline by the exact same amount and redraw the everything. Now I'm going to make a redraw complete. Later I'm going to make some performance changes, so just if it is there, leave it there. Redraw only what I need to do, no calculations, no necessary calculations, things like that. Yes. So initial X, pointer in start, and this is going to be in, yeah, it's in, and this is going to be date. Right, and initial and also. No. Oh, I do because I have to move the start, but then I also have to move the end. Yeah. Yeah. And okay. Next, it's the first. Oh, gee. Well, I completely forgot. Let's print it out. Interesting. Oh, I know. Not that interesting. Okay. This one. What? Oh, timeline is behind all that. That's stupid. Oh, the timeline is 0 pixels high. Nice. Oh. Hmm. The timeline to be dynamic, meaning I don't want to set some specific height. Oh, okay. Meaning that I set height at least as a prototype. The prototype will listen to the entire document. I can live with that. Oh, and use basically. So okay. Client X. Client X. I'm going to duplicate it. Okay. So move. And I want to register the movement only if this is hold up. Meaning what is and if x be precise. Find x minus is x. Okay. Plus go to the right, minus goes to the left. Oh. Persons again. Persons. Because I can move it by pixels. I have to calculate percentage movement and then move it by the percent amount of time between this start and end. Oh. Let's ask. Let's just ask. Just a second. My body is Okay, let's see. Let's. Ah, okay, just quickly pointer up, pointer X, just new legend. Done, finish, nothing more. Nice. And now redraw. Oh, it's not laggy. It just updates every 100 millisecond. It's not lagging, or it is from viewer's perspective, not by code. Because I have to do is to update the entire timeline. Wow. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh. uh, I have to dialogues. Next. Oh, data type. Oh, also, yeah. Oh, empty and go for it. Nice. Oh, yeah. And it's pretty fast. It's quick, responsive. Let's see what happens when I add the events. Okay. That's weird. That's super weird. Oh no. Oh, let's debug this time then. Okay. And this is going to be needed as well. Display events. So display or yeah. So this timeline is inherited from table, and it's just because tables tables in this context are it's primarily for data tables simply, but in this context they have data loading, they have item display, they have everything like this, and they'll have more. So it makes perfect sense to do it with to use it for timeline too, because it's usually the element table, or in this case timeline, and item. In table it's is visually as a row. In this case it's visually as an event on the timeline. So very big part of the table is actually perfectly usable in many scenarios, like here in the timeline. When this load data will be extended later, and it will be where when checking new data from the server will be in the table implemented, it will automatically be used in the timeline too. It makes perfect sense. So it's in the data. just to check, let's print out data. Okay. And this is just some internal key. Let's do this. No, this. I'll do this. Display events. Perfect. And now here are events. They have created. This is the time that is going to be needed. And they have name. It's good enough for me. And now I'm thinking those events should actually go into a specific date. Just for, maybe not. Maybe not. The events are something that is going to move, but not actually change. So already from the beginning, I'm going to check if the event is displayed, and if so, only redraw the left position, and if not, then just do everything. In the design, they are displayed like this. You know, here is the arrow pointing to the hour, and above are list of events that happened in some common time frame, which I'm not sure of right now. In practice, like if I'm going to group events that happened from 10:00 to 10 p.m. or to group events that are an hour apart, I have no idea right now. And it's not important right now. I'm not going to do this arrow. Right now I'm going to just display the events. And to do it, I'll display the events with set left position to the exact time, to the exact percentage of time when it happened. And then where for the first version, then nothing, because I just don't know how I work right now. So just display the event. Cool. And here we have event. What I should do is to not this is to create a HTML template for for an event. And where do I find it out? Yep. Template hour, template event plus event, and here we have name. Right. Name. I'm doing this because I want to separate the coder, the visual part of the thing, and the programmer thing. So the front-end coder can go and change classes as he sees fit, and programmer changes the data type, the data attributes. Oh, yeah. So first, Nope, nope, nope. Data type. Haven't. Haven't. Data ID. Now it doesn't exist. Oh, it doesn't exist. I'm to create it. Get from template. The template is called event. Just insert it right away. First. I chart event down. Okay. Oh. And now do some few things to it. Some few things is adding name. Selector. What's the name? But I'm going to more interesting thing to do. What it be? Time is oh, I need, because I'm getting the MySQL formatted time. I need to change the format a bit because the browser in desktop is fine, it can take it, but browsers mobile usually don't, and they display that it's unknown format of time. I hate it. Play is plus LZ. Yeah. I'm excited. Yeah. What? Why would they do this? Yes, time. It's, I have this. Yeah. Did I somewhere else? Is there 0? Oh, yeah. This is okay because. Oh no. Right? Okay. Around. Oh, man. Should be 0 from here. Yeah. It's exactly what I. Okay. That something. Oh, there's an error. Okay. Can deal with error. But back And here is oh it, yeah, much better, much better. Okay, now a bit of CSS because the events are completely new. Just to make it pop a bit. Yeah, correct. Now, if the is percent meant be the same, and I'm going to refactor this later for uh, just do these percents better. Oh, yeah. My gigabytes. It's good. It's good. Nice. A of CSS. Right now, I'm just going to start it to something like this. Maybe this. And I'm going to deal with this later. Now, what I need. What is some formatting? Just a bit of CSS. First, a bit of CSS to make it at least remotely like this, and then I'm going to have to wrap it all in SVG. I think the SVG should create background because these corners they are terrible to make in CSS. I'd rather make it in as a polygon in SVG, dynamically, organically. If you could believe this, this background is also made as polygon in SVG. So I think it's going to be a common theme in here. And I like this. It behaves as it should. That's this is exactly what I wanted to achieve. There are bugs. I'm not going to be solving everyone just because I don't know yet how exactly some things are going to work, how are going to be displayed. I just know this is some fun. I have to make some decisions. Stop. First. Oh, and no, I have one type right here, right now, so I'm not going to do these different styles. Just this one to just see everything. Okay, you know what? First, the event. I don't, I don't even know if it should be digital or I just don't know. Just don't. So what to go from here? You know what? Let's make it single line. Let's make it clear right now. Make blanks. Some gap in the 7th line. What is this? Maybe some 72. So I don't know. 90 pixels? Sure. Let's go for 90 right now. I'll zoom out. Let's set max. And max is 150. Overflow hidden. Text. Overflow. Let's see, sure. It's nice effect. White space none. And let's yeah, and this this is, let's say 3 and 9 pixels, 9 pixels. Oh, it shouldn't be for the name. From font formatting. Time isn't 14, right? Time is 10. Okay. Font weight 500. See what that means. It's because it's filled with BRs. Just oh, I think what? Wait. Oh, wow. I have never written white space normal. Yes. Now. Let's remove the background and start making the SVG. SVG first going to be with here side BG. Not going to take it first. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. It should what is it? Here. because I think I'm using. Oh, what? Oh, I think, I think, I think, I think the it's default. Yeah, SVGs have evidently some default styles. Sure, again, I'm doing. I did bit. That is bit. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I can find it. I even and I'm keeping the LNPG just because I can use PG. It's so generic. I can use it for entire timeline, and I if I have to. So, well, yeah, this is this is going to spend entire the size of the SVG. It's fine. Okay. Then let's go to JavaScript and do it. Type. But hey, it's coming up nicely. This entire timeline. First thing first, SVG. Uh, I don't know if I can't remember what to use the not normal just property like dot width and where do I to set do the set attribute and as I think it's like the SVG. Yeah. Wait, me. This. Okay. Go. I don't know. I just set it in CSS. I have no idea. Just do it in JavaScript. It's fine. Okay. So stats it displays the SVG. Great. Now to calling 2 point first. I think I make bigger, or I make this shine, and the shine must be put on the polygon just because of this corner. So the polygon has to get the filter. And it can display this shine if it's outside of the SVG. I'm sure it's going to be awesome when it's done and in use. And I want it to be used next week. But right now, right now I am dying. Yeah. So I have to make the larger. What? That? Where is spread? How far it's? Let's make it bigger just to be sure. 10 px outside to every side. No. Let's do it. And do each, right? Exactly the same. Here, going outside of the end. Yeah, the SVG is pretty big. Now I have to calculate with the 10 to each side. So let's set it to, let's make it properties. Now, right, top plus bottom. Yeah. No. No. Point. And these are polygon points. And I'm going to do the easy thing first. It is 0 points going this, and now actually make points. Right. Oh, which is top left corner. now I so now I have to calculate the corner. How big the corner will be? You know what? Let's make it also then and property. So like no, right minus oh no it is more difficult for minus right. So left right no right no SVG way is right. Yeah, only only this. Hopefully. Hopefully. Very much. Now, let's go now. Yeah. Now, no. To go complete. And to make the cut. Now this stays. And this go 3G high minus bottom. Okay. So it should be bottom right corner. Now bottom left corner. And that's it. That's it. Hey, let's see what it gives me. Yep. Oh, some class. Let's fill with what's with this color. Okay. So the corner is too big. It shouldn't be big. How's the is not a good idea. Better idea is made it higher and don't touch it. This is one entire element. Nice. Now this guy added the drop shadow. Fine. Let's make it drop shadow. I hope I can do it in here, but I'm not confident in this. I'm completely not confident. Yep, not at all. Well, so trying to do this. another short. And maybe I just delete it. Oh, oh, it's too bad. Just for fun, what if what if I change or you know what? Look terrible just because there are several types of layers of events. Let's clean this up. Like one event only doesn't look bad. Throw in there? Does it? None? Something in there. What the hell it is? I display only one event. Okay. Look like there is some stroke, something, some border. I don't know. I don't. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe I'm just imagining something. Oh, you know what? It's here too. It's just how it processes the SVG. Okay, I'm taking it as extremely normal paper for now. Okay. Yeah, hey, as I said, there are bugs. The bugs will be fixed later after I made some decisions how to actually deal with it, how to stack the events, how to even if I should even go behind or just general how to deal with it. But for now, I think it's great. It works. It displays events, it moves, it displays correct time. One last thing to do. One thing. Nope. Oh. Yes. Okay. And like this, we are done for today. So I'm going to improve this. I'm going to do new features, and I'll be on videos later.